Girls Hairstyles. So today I have DeeAnn with me and I wanted to show you guys the awesome colored shampoo. So if you are blonde, if you like golden blonde, like highlights, lowlights, this is going to bring out any natural highlights. And it's called Brilliant Blonde. This is from Monate. Anyway, you're going to use about a nickel size. And I'm going to rub it around really good. It's very concentrated. So I'm going to put it on DeeAnn's hair. And what you do is you leave the first wash on for 3 minutes. And it might feel a little different. Just know that that is totally normal. And then your second wash, you'll even get more suds. So that's great. So anyway, it's going to be fun to see her highlights pop out. Anyway, and it's
my hair either.
Yeah, and DeeAnn has no color, you know, in her hair, so it's going to be fun to see how this looks after. Anyway, this first wash you want to leave on for 3 minutes, so we will let this sit. I also use this on my mom. So my mom has pretty much white hair and we had stopped coloring her hair, and I've used this shampoo on her now, and it gives it doesn't color it blonde, but it gives it a really pretty blonde tint. So if you're gray, it's awesome also, and it gives you a ton of shine and just gives you that that tint. So it's not so white. It's a really pretty color. Anyway, so just gonna let this sit for another minute. Some people use the shampoo every time. You know, this, you can use it once a week. It just depends on what people like. My mom's liking it to use for every wash just because it gives her that tint, and she's really liking that without coloring it, because a lot of people don't love to color their hair. They don't want to pay, you know, the price to color it. So this is really good. The other thing with this product is it's very concentrated. So usually other products are 80% water and only 20% product. And this is 60% product and only 40%, yeah, 60 product, 40 water. So it's super concentrated. So you don't need to use a lot. So that's super nice. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this out. And then I'm going to wash one more time. You always wash twice with Monate, no matter which shampoo it is. You always leave the first shampoo on for 3 minutes. Okay, now again, I'm going to do the shampoo. And remember, this is called Brilliant Blonde. And you'll notice in the before and after pictures how much shine it gives it. Okay, so see how much more suds? It's really sudsy, this second wash. And it gets it super clean, like it's almost squeaky clean. Like you can feel it seriously is almost like squeaky clean. Okay, now the conditioner I'm going to put on. Okay, you're going to rub this around. All right, now what you're going to want to do with the color is you want to leave the conditioner in for 5 minutes. So I obviously won't have you guys sit here and wait for it for 5 minutes. So I will let you guys go, but we leave this on 5 minutes and then we will wash and then dry, and then you guys can see the after picture. So anyway, thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. And have an awesome day. Thanks.